Tesla's Cybercab, a groundbreaking autonomous vehicle designed for ride-hailing services, has captured global attention due to its innovative approach to self-driving technology. Using a camera-based full self-driving system rather than LiDAR or other traditional sensors, Tesla aims to revolutionize transportation by making it safer, more efficient, and accessible. The Cybercab's introduction is part of Tesla's vision to establish a fully autonomous taxi network. Elon Musk has stated that autonomous vehicles could eventually become much safer than human-driven cars, potentially reducing accidents by significant margins. This safety claim is based on the capabilities of Tesla's AI-driven neural networks, which process real-time driving scenarios and adapt to various conditions. However, before the Cybercab operates without human intervention, Tesla plans to integrate teleoperations, allowing remote operators to intervene when necessary for added safety. This approach bridges the gap between full autonomy and practical reliability during the initial phases of deployment. Economically, the Cybercab is a significant step forward. Tesla engineers have streamlined its design, resulting in a vehicle with about half the parts of a Tesla Model 3. This reduction minimizes production costs, contributing to the Cybercab's anticipated affordability, with a price target below $30,000. The vehicle's design also features only 2 seats, maximizing aerodynamic efficiency and simplifying maintenance for rideshare applications. For instance, cleaning processes are optimized, allowing for automated systems to handle them efficiently. Tesla is also exploring ways to enhance the Cybercab's independence. Plans include integrating wireless charging and robotic cleaning systems, enabling the vehicle to operate entirely without human input, even for refueling or maintenance. This level of automation is key to Tesla's goal of producing millions of Cybercabs annually, paving the way for a sustainable transportation model. Despite its potential, the Cybercab faces challenges. Autonomous driving technology requires rigorous testing and approval from regulatory authorities. Each region has unique laws and standards, making it difficult to deploy such vehicles on a global scale quickly. Additionally, gaining public trust in autonomous systems is crucial, especially given Tesla's history of delayed deadlines for its FSD software. Another challenge lies in Tesla's choice to rely solely on camera-based systems. While this approach significantly reduces costs, it has sparked debates over safety and reliability. Competitors like Waymo and Zoox use LiDAR and geofencing to ensure precision in navigation, particularly in complex urban environments. Tesla, however, is betting on its neural networks to outperform these methods over time. The Cybercab's success could bring far-reaching implications for urban planning and sustainability. Autonomous vehicles could alleviate traffic congestion, reduce carbon emissions, and lower the cost of transportation. Cities might also adapt their infrastructure to accommodate these vehicles, leading to smarter, more connected urban environments. However, the rise of robotaxis might disrupt traditional jobs in the transportation sector, creating social and economic challenges that policymakers will need to address. Tesla's entry into the robotaxi market is sparking intense competition with well-established players like Waymo, Cruise, and Amazon's Zoox. Especially since Tesla's vehicle of choice is the Cybercab, a futuristic vehicle designed for fully autonomous operation without a steering wheel or pedals. Priced under $30,000, this robotaxi aims to be an affordable solution for widespread adoption. However, the projected launch year is 2026, which means Tesla has significant ground to cover to catch up with its competitors who are already operational. Waymo, owned by Alphabet, is currently leading in robotaxi deployment. It provides over 100,000 paid rides weekly in major cities like San Francisco, Phoenix, and Los Angeles. Waymo's technology relies on a sensor-heavy approach with LiDAR, radar, and high-definition maps, which contribute to its high accuracy, but also its higher costs. Zoox, another competitor, is taking a different route by designing vehicles specifically for urban mobility. Its shuttle-like autonomous vans are bidirectional and electric, aimed at shared rides rather than individual ownership. These vans can operate in dense cityscapes with minimal space requirements. Tesla, on the other hand, leverages its extensive fleet of vehicles already on the road to collect massive amounts of real-world data. This gives Tesla an edge in training its self-driving algorithms faster and at a lower cost. Unlike Waymo's LiDAR-based system, Tesla relies on a vision-based approach using cameras and neural networks, which reduces hardware costs significantly. Tesla's full self-driving FSD software has faced criticism for its claims versus current capabilities, but the company is banking on its scalability once regulatory hurdles are cleared. The competition is not without challenges. Cruise, backed by General Motors, recently had to temporarily reinstate human drivers after a pedestrian accident raised safety concerns. Regulatory approvals remain a significant obstacle for all companies, including Tesla, which has yet to formally apply for necessary permits in some regions. Consumer acceptance and trust are also hurdles, as many remain wary of fully driverless cars, despite their potential to reduce accidents caused by human error, which accounts for 94% of crashes in the US. Tesla's strategic focus on affordability and its vast data collection capabilities could make it a disruptive force in the market. However, competitors like Waymo and Zoox are far ahead in operational deployment and have already proven their models in real-world scenarios. Waymo's safety-first approach and Zoox's innovative vehicle design exemplify how the industry is diversifying to tackle urban transportation challenges, such as traffic congestion and pollution. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla's Robotaxi fleet is both ambitious and transformative. As part of his larger plan to make Tesla cars fully autonomous, the Robotaxi fleet will lack steering wheels, pedals, or human drivers, relying entirely on Tesla's full self-driving technology. According to Musk, these vehicles are intended to be mass-produced by 2024, and he believes the cost per mile of these taxis will be lower than a subsidized bus or subway ticket. Tesla's Robotaxi will be designed for maximum efficiency and minimal space. They will likely be built using the same platform as Tesla's existing vehicles, but optimized for shared rides. This is a stark contrast to the traditional model of individual ownership, which is the norm today. Tesla envisions these robotaxis running as a fleet, with multiple cars operating simultaneously, managed by a network that controls routing and availability, similar to how Uber or Lyft operates today, but without drivers. In a highly competitive market where Waymo, Cruise, and Zoox have already established themselves in various forms, Tesla's robotaxis are expected to radically change the economics of transportation. One of the most important aspects of Tesla's plan is cost efficiency. Musk has emphasized that the Robotaxi service will be incredibly affordable, potentially costing as little as 25 cents per mile, which is competitive with other forms of public transit. Tesla's high-efficiency powertrains, combined with autonomous driving, promise to deliver the lowest operating costs in the industry. This could make the service particularly attractive in dense urban areas, where traditional ride-sharing and taxis are often more expensive. Moreover, the lack of a driver will cut down on costs related to human labor, contributing to the affordability of the service. Another key feature is the fleet's integration with Tesla's supercharger network, ensuring that these vehicles can quickly recharge as they operate. Tesla's energy solutions will also help support the sustainability aspect of the Robotaxi service, as they can be powered by Tesla's growing renewable energy infrastructure. However, while the technological and business plans are in motion, the regulatory environment is still a major hurdle. Many governments are still working on defining the rules for self-driving cars, and Tesla's Cybercab, a groundbreaking autonomous